Have you ever been a part of a team but felt disconnected or unsure if everyone was working toward the same goal? Well, maybe you've seen different ideas pulling in different directions. But in these moments is when we realize that leadership is not just about having authority, it's about bringing people together. But before that, I would like to ask how many of you here had felt like you're not capable of being a leader? But what does it even take to be one? Being a leader is not just someone with a title, a microphone, or a badge. A leader is someone who inspires, guides, and empowers others to achieve a common goal. It's about bringing out the best in others and ensuring that everyone feels valued. For example, as a proud member of the Student Lighthouse team myself, I have learned that leadership is not limited to a position, but it's a mindset and an action. Every student always has a leader in them by taking initiative, respecting others, and working toward the future together. But the big question still remains: how can great leaders unite others? Well, the answer lies in the 7 habits. Great leaders take initiative. They don't just wait around for change. They don't tell anyone what to do, but they start it. Whether it's as simple as helping a friend or solving a problem, they act with a purpose. Great leaders also unite everyone by creating a shared vision that inspires and motivates others, because everything starts with a clear goal. Leaders put first things first. They prioritize people and the progress as one. They focus on what truly matters: unity, inclusion, and impact. Because a great leader builds trust by valuing others. They believe in collaboration over competition, making sure everyone feels appreciated and heard so they all have a sense of comfort and uniting. And leaders, most of all, leaders unite others by encouraging harmony and building strong relationships with those around them. Because a united community starts with trust and meaningful connections. They take their time to understand their peers, recognize their struggle, and most importantly, they offer support. Making others feel included or appreciated can create a sense of belonging and bring people closer together. Leaders unite people with different strengths to achieve more together. So, they turn diversity into power. And lastly, great leaders stay strong and positive. Even in tough times, they care for their own mindset so they can lift others up. They help others stay motivated, find solutions, and keep everyone working together. So, leaders, by embodying these qualities, we can create an inclusive and cooperative environment to achieve a common goal. Being a leader is not about standing above others, it's about standing with them. Whether we hold a leadership title or not, we all have the power to make a difference by supporting, respecting, and uplifting those around us. So, let's be the kind of leaders who build bridges and not walls. Let's be the kind of leaders who bring people together. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and remember that everyone has the power to lead.